Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, we are going to see how to solve the fifth question in exercise 4.2. Now let us look at the problem. The altitude of a right triangle is 7 centimeter less than its base. If the hypotenuse is 13 centimeters, find the other two sides. So before we go into assigning variables, let us have a quick recap of what we mean as Pythagoras theorem. So if I place a right angled triangle like this, let me mark this as A, B and C. The hypotenuse is the side opposite to 90 degrees, which will be the longest side as well. So what we know is AC squared is equal to AB squared plus BC squared. This is Pythagoras theorem for us. Now, since it is a right angle triangle, if I need to calculate the area of this triangle, I can simply do this as half into base, which is BC, into height as AB. Either the base could be treated as AB or the height could be treated as BC. Anything can be interchanged. Essentially, it is just half into the product of the sides other than the hypotenuse. So with this basic background, let us see how to solve this problem. The altitude of a right triangle is 7 centimeter less than its base. So first let's mark the variable. I'm going to mark the base of the triangle as x. So the altitude is going to be 7 centimeters less than the base. So this is x minus 7. And what was given to us, the hypotenuse, is given as 13. So this is a basic setup. Instead of writing as a word problem, in this question, you can also draw and highlight what is actually expected. So if I have a base as x, you're talking the altitude is x minus 7, the hypotenuse is given as 13. So instead of word, I've just used this diagram to indicate it. Now let's apply the Pythagoras theorem here. So which means 13 squared is equal to x squared plus x minus 7 the whole squared. So let us expand on both sides. Here the 13 squared, I'm going to write this as 169. I'm used to putting the numbers on the right side, so I'm just reorganizing this equation the other way. So this is x squared plus x minus 7 the whole square. Now this is a minus b the whole square, so do an expansion here. So x squared plus x squared minus 14x plus 49 is equal to 169. So let us rearrange this. So 2x squared minus 14x. I'm taking this 49 the other side. So 169 minus 49 is 120. Here all the terms are multiples of 2. So this is 2, this is 14 and 120. So I'm going to divide the entire equation by 2 so that I get x squared minus 7x is equal to 60. Now if I reorganize this, this is going to be x squared minus 7x minus 60 is equal to 0. So now let's see, I have to have a product that is going to be minus 60. The sum has to be minus 7. So x squared minus 12x plus 5x minus 60 is equal to 0. So x into x minus 12 plus 5 into x minus 12 is equal to 0. X minus 12 into x plus 5 is equal to 0. So the values of x that you can possibly have are going to be 12 comma minus 5. We know that x represents the side of a triangle. So x cannot be negative. So you can ignore this minus 5. So x is equal to 12. So if you know x is equal to 12, then you can calculate the altitude, which is 12 minus 7. So the altitude is going to be 5. Then let us compare and check whether we are getting the Pythagoras triplet right. So 5 square is 25. 12 square is 144. If you add, you get 169, which is nothing but the 13 square. So our answer is correct. So you close the statement as altitude of the triangle is equal to 5 centimeters. Base is equal to 12 centimeters. Okay. In the next video, we will see how to solve the sixth question in this exercise. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.